so today I'm going to be doing a review for Pinchme, and they contacted me to do a review for you guys and to show you some stuff that they have in their new box right here for this month. So let's get right into it. Open it up and show you guys what I got. So this is the Pinchme box. This is, I believe, you're able to try out products from popular brands. You could go to their website. I will be leaving their information down below. And let's see what we got right here. So the first item that I see right here is the Ancient Herb and Modern Life Prevention Wellness Tea. And I guess this is like a sample of their tea. It's organic. I guess it's from India. Organic India. Probiotic and functional teas for wellness from Prevention and Organic India. So these are samples. It is USDA organic as well as non-GMOs verified. So in here I got the Prevention Immunity Support Tea and the Thrive Balanced Energy Support Tea. So the immunity includes tulsi, probiotics, and peppermint. They're both caffeine free. And the Thrive includes tulsi and green tea and ashwagandha in it. So I'm gonna try these out, as well as there is a coupon for $1 off if you want to try their other teas. So yeah, this is the organic tea. I got a sample of this. I am a tea lover, so I do love to drink tea. I like to see how that tastes. I know peppermint is really good, and tulsi tea is really good for you as well. It has lots of like health benefits. The next item that I got is a Bag Balm Skin Moisturizer. It says Vermont's Original. So this is a highly effective product for moisturizing and softening severely dry skin, and can work with cracks, splits, and get callus from hard work and harsh weather. So this is new. I've never seen anything like this. Whoa. So this is what it is. It has, I don't know what this smell is, but I smelled it before. So if you have some dry, crack, harsh skin, I guess this is the way to go. And you can use this to moisturize your skin. I smelled this before, but I don't know what it is. I'm trying to look for the ingredients. Okay, there it is. It says petroleum and some other stuff that I can't read right there. But yeah. So this will be great for moisturizing your skin. The next item that I got was this cushion band-aid thing. This is great for like preventing blisters when you're wearing like heels, rubbing up against your ankle area. This is compressed, it's medium. It's a blister cushion, so this is like nice for when you're wearing heels. The next item that I got is the Dove Exfoliating Body Polish. I saw this and I was wondering what this was. So it reveals silky smooth skin with the Dove Exfoliating Body Polish by exfoliating and restoring skin's natural nutrients. How do you use this? You use it in the shower or bath. You scoop a generous amount of body polish with your hand, spread it all over in a circular motion, and rinse. So I guess this is like a this is basically like a body scrub, and this one is in crushed macadamia and rice milk. So I can't wait to try this out. It's great to like exfoliate your skin, get rid of dead skin cells, renew your skin, reveal new softer skin, and then moisturize your skin. So this is a nice little sample size to try. It's getting dry, so this will be perfect. Exfoliate your skin, moisturize it, and have some nice baby soft skin for the winter time. The next item is the RX Nut Butter. So this is almond butter. It has egg whites, almonds, dates, and no BS. So I will be giving this to my dad because he does like almond butter. instead of using like peanut butter. It does contain almonds, eggs whites, dates, coconut oil, and sea salt. So this is like more health based if you want to use some almond butter instead of peanut butter. This is the 1850 Keurig K-Cups. This is black gold dark roast coffee. I don't have one, but I'll be giving this away. And this is for the 1850s Keurig brand. The next item that I got is this almond goat milk soap with farm fresh goat milk. So I guess a lot of these things are like organic. The ingredients, what does it say? Handcrafted with sustainability and ethically sourced ingredients. I guess this is like a soap. Patches soap. So let's open this up. It's very eco-friendly, I see. So yeah, this is a soap made out of goat milk. Wow, that's pretty. So again, almond. So this is almond goat's milk, handcrafted with farm fresh goat's milk, since derived from essential oils, premium natural ingredients. So it has palm oil, palm kernel oil, water, olive oil, sodium hydroxide, shea butter, and castor seed oil, goat's milk, bitter almond oil, cocoa powder, sunflower seed, and beta carotene, and I think that's vitamin E. So this is interesting. Goat milk soap. Smells good. Smells like almonds, and I like how almonds smell. So this smells really good. I like the packaging. I like how it looks. Like this looks really artistic and nice, and it smells good. It seems like this is gonna be a nice creamy lather. Like it just feels really nice. I like how it smells. This is interesting. So this is like all natural. And the last item that I got is the Biore charcoal cleansing micellar water. So I've been saying this, like charcoal is the thing, you know, for skincare. So this is the charcoal version of their micellar water, and I've been using micellar water. I really like it. You know, you just squirt it on your towelettes and then use it to like clean your face up. So it's way more better than the wipes because you're more in control of how much product you're going to use, and you don't have to like use an entire towelettes from the makeup wipes. You could just pour how much you need. So this is a nice little sample to try out. It's more like a deluxe sample really, so this will go a long way. So here are all the items that I got. It seems like most of them are like organic, more skincare based, and more for like wellness. And I will leave all the information down below for the Pinchme subscription that you can check out. And if you guys enjoyed the video, like it, share, and I'll leave all the information down below. And I will see you guys until next time. Bye.